Welcome to Fix Your Apps, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for your social media game. In today's video, we're going to show you, step by step, how to write a caption on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more amazing content. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account before starting. Step 2. Next, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a plus icon in the middle. Tap on it to create a new post. Step 3. Now decide what you want to share. You can take a photo or video right there using your camera, or choose one from your phone's library by selecting it from your gallery. Step 4. After selecting or capturing your photo or video, tap Next in the top right corner of the screen. Step 5. You'll then be taken to another screen where you can edit your post. Once you're happy with your edits, tap Next again. Step 6. Here's the fun part. Tap on Write a Caption to add your text. Alternatively, you can also choose to add a poll or other interactive elements depending on your post type. Step 7. Start typing your caption. Make it catchy, relatable, or informative. You can also include hashtags, tag friends, or add emojis to make it more engaging. Remember to keep your audience in mind while crafting your caption. Step 8. Once you've finished writing your caption, tap OK in the top right corner to save it. Step 9. Finally, tap Share to post it on your Instagram feed. And that's it. Your post is now live for your followers to see. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.